This powerful AI video tool is free, but it's hidden. Here's how to access it before it blows up. It gives you 15 free videos a day, text-to-video, dance animations, lip syncs, and more, and all you need is a VPN set to Hong Kong. Let me show you how it works. Before we dive in, here's how to access Tencent Hunyuan, since it's not available globally. First, connect your VPN to Hong Kong. I'm using Surfshark, but any that supports HK should work. Then head to video.hunyuan.tencent.com. You'll need to log in with your email or WeChat if you have one. Once you're in, you get free credits refreshed daily across all 4 tools. Let's take a look. Create over a dozen videos every day. Let's kick things off with text-to-video. You get 4 generations per day, but don't use HD or 2K unless you're okay with losing credits from your image-to-video pool. For the best value, stick to the 4 standard quality videos, which don't cut into your other features. You can enter prompts in English, and there's an option called Director Mode. It's basically a smart enhancer. It rewrites your prompt into a full cinematic scene. Here's an example. The high-detail, cinematic wide shot shows the car's elegant curves and the surrounding rugged mountains. The Lamborghini's tires screech slightly as it maintains its speed and balance. The natural lighting casts long shadows on the road, highlighting the car's movement. Pretty wild, right? So, if you're new to prompting, Director Mode can boost your output. But if you like more control, turn it off and write your own cinematic-style prompts. Next up is the lip sync feature, and this one's kind of a mixed bag. You get 4 lip sync generations per day, but each one is limited to just 5 seconds. You can enter your own line of dialogue or upload an audio clip, but I'll be honest, the built-in text-to-speech isn't the best. For smoother results, upload your own high-quality voice file if you can.
This has it all text and image to video more.
Now here's what I found during testing. I tried syncing Gollum from Lord of the Rings, and while it worked, there was a lot of face distortion and morphing. I also tried a solo dancer on stage.
Create over a dozen videos every day.
Less morphing, but the lips looked fake and a bit weird. Based on that, I'd say this feature works best with animated or stylized characters, where a bit of mouth weirdness feels less uncanny. So if you're going for lip sync, keep it short, clean, and ideally animated. Now let's look at the image-to-video feature, and this one is seriously impressive. You get 3 generations per day, 2 standard and 1 in 2K resolution. I tested it with this cinematic-style fantasy image of a cloaked traveler standing on a cliff, and the result perfectly followed the prompt. The animation was smooth, the camera motion was subtle and dramatic, and the sound design was spot on. Wind, footsteps, ambient audio. It all felt like a real scene pulled from a movie. If you're planning to use this feature, here's how to get the best results. Use high resolution. Full-body characters. Make sure the background is clean and not too busy. Front-facing or slightly angled poses work best. Avoid low-res or blurry images. They tend to cause flickering. And remember, if you've already used 2K or HD under text-to-video, earlier, your 2K credit here might already be gone, so choose wisely. Last up is the dance video feature, and this one's a blast when it works right. You get 4 dance generations per day, each one lasting 10 seconds, and the platform automatically adds music to your clips. But to avoid the weird morphing issues, you've got to prep your images right. Let me show you what I mean. On screen, I've got 5 examples. 3 correct ones, using front-facing, full-body, or upper-body poses, and 2 problematic ones, a side-facing image and a back-facing one. Even though some of the dance templates start with the character facing away, if your source image is facing away or in profile, the AI will warp the body and face. The same goes for arms or legs that are merged or cropped awkwardly. So, to keep your characters dancing clean, use a front-facing, Pose make sure arms and legs, if visible, are separate and clearly defined. Avoid side shots or back-facing angles. Stick with stylized or animated characters if possible for smoother results when it works. It's shockingly good for a free tool. So that's Tencent Hunyuan AI. Video in a nutshell. 4 powerful tools completely free and with daily credits that reset every 24 hours. Just remember, use a VPN set to Hong Kong log in with email or WeChat, and follow the pose and resolution tips to avoid glitches, considering it's free. The quality is surprisingly high, especially in the sound design and the cinematic scenes. With the right setup, it's hard to even tell these are AI generated. And hey, if you like this one, don't miss the next video. We'll be checking out another free and unlimited AI video generator that just got a huge update. The old version was known for morphing and choppy frame rates, but the new one is a lot smoother. It still has a few quirks, but it now gives you the minutes of free avatar video per day and unlimited talking photo animations. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it, and drop a comment if you want pose templates or prompt packs to get started.